Okay, my mom just unplugged the internet, okay? My sister does not know anything. Hey, Mom. Mama, didn't you unplug the internet?
Yeah.
Alright. Oh, she's freaking out. Hold on.
What the fuck, Mom? Oh my god! Mom, did you turn off the internet?
That's what.
No, it's canceled.
It's not working!
This is not. Oh my goodness.
What'd you do?
She just did something.
What'd you do? Oh my god,
Hold on.
Why won't it work?
Are you okay? Are you okay? Calm down. Dude, calm down, fool. Calm down. Dude, Mom did it. Mom did it. Go get her.
Get the cops called here.
Also, only helps out staying out of crime. It doesn't help out the community. It doesn't sound like it helps out children.